Hello and welcome back to 5-Minute Python Coding. I'm an instructor named Tweet. Without further ado, let's get back into it. Last time we left off, we finished asking the user to input what the year was. Now we're going to write a little bit more out. So now we're going to ask the user to guess T1000's age. Pretty simple process, just like how we asked for the year. So we just have a variable my age equal to the input, and then ask the question inside the parentheses. Now, after that, we're just going to do another print statement and have it say, yes, I'm going to input my age. And then finish off. Now, we are going to do a little bit of math and see when T1000 is going to be 100 and what year it's going to be. So, okay. Now to do this, the first thing we're going to need to do is set my age equal to an integer of my age. That way we can actually do math. Then we're going to create a new variable called in years, which is going to be the one where we do the math in. We're simply just going to do 100 minus my age. Then we're going to have another print statement to show it on the console. And then we're also going to say what year that will be when T1000 will be 100. Do that simply. Now, the reason why we had to make the year an integer is just the same reason why we had to make my age an integer, so we could do some sort of math with it. Now, the code, once it runs, it's going to look like a little bit of something like this on the right-hand side of the screen. Now let's give it a run and see if it works out. What is your name? Let's say it is 2021. Let's say T1000 is 20 years old. And voila, I will be 180 years old. Or in 80 years, that will be the year 2101. And with that, we have finished the next part of our Python coding. Hope you enjoyed the videos, and I hope you look out for more to come.